Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore your window trim for cheap. As you can see here, this is what it's supposed to look like. But as you can see on this side, it has started flipping off real bad. First things first, what you're going to want to do is remove all of the old trim. As you can see, I have not finished. After you're done with that, clean it and then mask it off. I'll give you guys an update once I'm done. Here's a quick update of how everything's going. I didn't end up taking all the trim off yet because right here is a pain in the ass, but it should be fine. No matter what we do, we should look better than this ugly ass chrome. Right now I'm about to apply about 2 coats of this Plasti Dip. Should look fire, but I'll give you guys an update once I'm done. Here's the first coat so far. Already looking 10 times better. Here's the second coat. I applied it a little bit more heavy, but 20 times better. Got the Tundra over there sitting pretty. Here's the third coat. 30 times better than that chrome. Right here though, you can see small imperfections from where I couldn't take off the trim, but it's fine. Better than that chrome. And nobody should be paying attention to that anyway. She's sitting pretty now. I went ahead and applied a 4th coat just to be safe, but for now, while it dries, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on how the engine bay is holding up so far. If you haven't seen my previous videos already, you should definitely check them out. We totally transformed the engine bay, totally. Looks 30 times better for under $20 too. As you can see, I have no complaints at all. Look at that, 5.3 liter V8, beautiful. Here's the final product. It came out sick. Look at that, way better than that chrome. Tell me what you guys think down in the comment section below. We should have more GXP content coming soon. Actually, we should have a new project coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.